When I tell you this morning's devotion has had me in a bear hug all day, it has had me in a bear hug all day. I have not been able to focus on anything fully since reading this morning's meditation. The thing that stood out the most is that the only reason the spirit of fear hunts you down and taunts you with false illusions of difficulty, insecurity, and despair is because the enemy knows how great you really are. You're a target of the enemy because you're a threat to the enemy. And the enemy is threatened by your awareness of your spiritual DNA and you owning your magnificence. The sole mission and objective is to keep us from becoming all of who we really are. It's the voice of fear that hijacks our inner confidence by whispering doubt, worry, and hesitation. God does not give us the spirit of fear, and that means you don't have to accept it. What has been keeping you from fully living your life? I tell you, I realize that environments keep us from fully living. And oftentimes when we're in relationships, we focus more on pleasing that person than fulfilling our purpose. We want the people that we're connected to be okay, and sometimes that is at the cost of us giving up what we know that we're supposed to fully step into. We allow the fear of them being dissatisfied with our decisions to stop us from making some of those decisions. Today, I want to invite you to pray with me. Lord, I refuse to live as a prisoner to fear when I am really a warrior endowed with your Holy Spirit, mighty power, love, and incredible mind. Direct my thoughts accordingly and help me to become all you have called me to be. Have the most incredible day and exercise all the gifts that are inside of you. I'm your self-care coach, and you be well. Take care.